Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting Discord ready. Install the app or open the desktop web client, then sign in with a new or existing account. Enable 2FA immediately for safety, and confirm email and phone when prompted so verification steps won't block you later. Once done, find the official Bong invite link from a trusted source. Make sure you don't use random links. With the invite copied, you're ready to proceed to joining and initial server setup. Do that now to continue. You paste the invite into Discord and click join, then immediately read and accept the server rules. That prevents later blocks. If the server uses verification, CAPTCHA, reaction roles, or a voice gate, complete those steps now so channels unlock. Next, follow role request procedures or link your account if Bong requires OAuth or bot permissions. Grant the minimum permissions necessary. Once roles and permissions are settled, adjust privacy and notification settings so you see important pings without unnecessary noise. You finish by testing core features. Send a message, join voice, and trigger any Bong bot commands to confirm functionality. Then, tune notification, mute, and role settings so you only get alerts you care about. Pin essential channels for quick access. If something fails, bot not responding or channels hidden, try rejoining using a fresh invite, clear Discord cache, and relogin. That resolves most sync issues. If problems persist, contact a moderator with timestamps and screenshots so they can investigate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.